Headed to Jack's Do It Upholstery, getting the seat cover done on the KTM, the Freshie. And we're also getting a head start on the KDX 200 seat cover. Gonna get that done. It's gonna be a good day.
I've been going to Jack's Do It shop for years. He's been doing bolt upholstery for me, motorcycle seats. He even bedazzled my favorite jeans with some really cool rhinestones down the side. There, did you spot it? 2 axle blocks on the same side of an axle. Not an ideal situation. We'll try that again.
Romper bumper, stomper boo, tell me do.
Things get a little tricky here. We ordered the Acerbis VSL LED headlight kit, but it doesn't come in Nardo Grey, which is the color of the plastics we're running. So we need to take the LED assembly out and put it in the Polisport headlight mask. We wrongly assumed that these would be compatible, so we have to do some modifications. handguards come in many forms and many different mounting systems. I really like the simplicity of the KTM mounting system, so I need to figure out a way to get these beautiful P3 carbon fiber handguards onto the KTM. Once again, we're in for some modifications.
Out of all the parts we're putting on, Jake, the one I'm most excited about is this right here, and it's the Midwest Mountain Engineering clutch lever. Now, if your bike has a hydraulic clutch, you already know that the pull on it's pretty light over a cable clutch. This lever claims to reduce pull by 50%. So I'm pretty excited to give it a try. Although I have heard that it does take some dialing, it's a little finicky, so we'll report to you. Tell you what we find out.
Ready for that report? I absolutely love the Clever lever. It's worth every penny. We picked it up for $83 at slavensracing.com. It did require a little bit of dialing, but it wasn't finicky at all. Now, granted, I only have about 3 hours of riding time on it, and it really does feel about 50% lighter. As someone who rides with one finger on the clutch, I think this just became a necessity for me. Just can't get enough of that lever. I've got a fever, and the only prescription is more Clever lever.
I pay the fool.
Once we got the chain together, it was a little too long, so we needed to take a link out. YouTube, meet the taco tensioner. You're gonna love this thing. It takes all of the guesswork out of chain slack. No more measuring tape. It's only $17 at tacomoto.co. I recommend getting one. Nothing changes the look of a bike quite like graphics, especially custom graphics. But I absolutely loathe putting them on. DecalWorks sent us this 3-step kit, and I gotta say, it works really well. It makes a miserable job slightly less miserable. Step 1 is an adhesive remover, and you have to be careful because it can take the sheen off of your plastics. I didn't need it on mine, but I really wanted to make sure I didn't have any problems. Step 2 removes any oils or silicones. And step 3, this is where the magic happens. Spray the backside of the decal and also spray your plastics, then apply. If you mess up, simply pull the decal up and you put it back down. It also allows you to float it a little bit. You'll really need to use the squeegee if you get some air bubbles in there, but if you get one that's really stubborn, don't be afraid to pull it back up and put it back down. One more tool you'll need for a proper graphics install. Get yourself a heat gun or a hair dryer. Test it first, make sure you don't melt the graphics. Plastics have very challenging curves to them, and a lot of times the heat will help you shape the graphics to the form. You can also use it for those stubborn edges that just won't stay down.
Before you leave, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. And don't forget to comment down below how cool you think my dad's channel is.